Have you ever had one of those moments where time just seems to stop? A moment so shocking you can't believe it's real. I had one of those days recently, right in my own kitchen. I was just going about my day, getting dinner ready, and I'd put something in the oven, just like I've done 1,000 times before. Suddenly, with a terrifying boom, the oven door exploded, sending glass flying everywhere. It was a chaotic, frightening blur, but in the middle of it all, I felt this incredible sense of peace, a feeling of being shielded. When the dust settled, I was standing there completely untouched, not a single scratch. In that moment, I knew without a doubt that God was with me, protecting me. It's a powerful reminder that He is always our shield and our Savior, even in the most unexpected moments. Thank you for listening, and please consider subscribing for more stories of faith.